So this is my Troy built 21-inch self-propelled mower, 6.5 horsepower, 190 cc's. This is the carb. Obviously I took the air filter off. I cleaned all in there. I don't know if you can see that. No, not really the camera. But I'm not sure how to take this off. Obviously that's a fuel line, I get that, but this linkage, I'm not sure. And it won't start, so the bolt right here, the bolt underneath, I took that off, and that didn't have like debris or anything in it, so it was nice and clean. But the gasket on that bolt is worn out, so it actually leaks gas there. My question is, would that stop it from starting? Post your comments below. Thank you.